This basement is all about entertaining. The contemporary sleek style is exactly what Debbie and Doug Kunansky had in mind when they decided to renovate. They were looking for something completely different from the rest of the house.
You feel really relaxed here, and I do feel almost removed from my own home, like I'm in some type of restaurant or bar, and it's just very relaxing.
Debbie and Doug are also big sports fans, so they wanted to create a great space for watching games.
We're big football fans, and during the football season, wanted to have kind of ESPN zone in our basement.
Rocco Siniscali of Oneida Builders was up to the challenge.
So of course I was excited, can't wait to do my own ESPN zone.
The first step though was figuring out how to create the open space and update the look.
It already had a stacked stone fireplace, drywall, it had Berber carpeting throughout, and it had a lot of little rooms in the basement. It's a big home and a big basement, but a lot of little rooms.
Rocco started with a three-dimensional drawing and planned everything from the beginning.
So we designed everything in the beginning with colors, with furniture. We could even take a picture of an oriental rug and implement it into the drawing.
Once they had a plan, the next challenge was to take out the load-bearing walls to open up the space. That meant bringing in a huge commercial-sized steel beam for support.
It was incredible because we had to get the beam around the back of the house, and this house actually has a hill. So we put the beam on dollies with ropes and brought 3,600 pounds of steel around the back of the house with a lot of labor.
It was quite a project that I think it's just magically here, and I don't really need to know the details.
Debbie says unlike other basements, which might have a media room where men tend to congregate, she wanted open space and an elegant look.
And it has a lot of seating area so that lots of people can come down here, and men and women can both find their little areas but all still feel like they're in the same room.
Rocco wanted to make sure the television sets looked right in this elegant setting.
They had a lot of flat screen plasmas, and rather than just mounting on the wall, I wanted them to be more sleek looking and flush, so we actually created a custom niche, and rather using than your typical outside corner, we used a round corner bead to give it a smooth, softer look.
This serving buffet was Debbie's idea. She wanted something opposed to the traditional bar, but she wasn't sure about what to put on the wall. She and Rocco's designer Melina together came up with this tile mosaic wall.
I think it's a real focal point for the room.
Another design element, this granite fireplace.
It's really beautiful. I mean, it turned out, it was something that I saw in a magazine, but I think it was made out of some other material in the magazine, and Melina took it, and we decided that the black granite would look really nice there.
I wanted to use granite. Well, granite doesn't come in 6-7 inch thicknesses, so what we do is had to custom make a form and wrap the granite around it, miter all the edges and bevel it to make it look like it was just this solid piece of granite 6 to 7 inches thick.
The guest bath is perhaps the most striking design feature. The shower was custom made.
We had Rocco do a pretty incredible shower. It's not just a steam shower, it evolved into what I call a pretty unbelievable experience.
We actually sat Doug down and measured the degree of his back. So when he sat in the steam room, it was literally like someone was holding him. So we actually came out here and measured everything on Doug and the right heights and where he wanted the body sprayers to hit him, and make sure the steam didn't come out to where he was going to be laying down in the steam shower. So that was really fun.
There's jets that hit you from all different sides and a rain shower from up above. The floors in there are heated. The steam mist shower is amazing, and my husband loves it.
So with all the luxury of a spa bath and the excitement and elegance of an ESPN zone, Doug and Debbie are ready to entertain and enjoy their new home away from home right downstairs.